Hi everybody, welcome to Tank Predicts, and this is a reading for August. The message is for August, what's going to happen, what are the things that are in store for you. Let's start with your lucky number. Lucky number is 4 for August. 4 will be your lucky number, probably 4th August or 13th August, whatever adds up to a 4. I'm getting 4 people also. Are you a company with 4 people, 4 family members? Something special is going to happen. I feel a celebration. Right now, I'm not doing cards. I just channeled these and I wanted to tell you some kind of a celebration. People are getting together to celebrate something, hard work paying off. Let's see how August will be. Let's start. Capricorn, August. Take care of routine, especially routine. Getting disrupted, probably because a lot of things happening, a lot of people around you, you doing things not in the routine. Somebody disrupting your routine. You doing fitting too many things into your routine also. So something is getting disrupted in August. So make a proper routine also. I feel you need a proper plan. That's another channel message that I'm getting. I think sometimes I'll do readings just without the tarot at all. I will not look at them, look at the cards, and just give you messages that I get. Yes, please work with people well, because look at this. Synergy is also not happening. You need to put in more effort right now. Something has got disrupted because the synergy has got disrupted. The balance has got disrupted. Either you being too practical or too emotional, or the balance between relationship or people. Something kind of is not really adding up there, balance wise, or the yin and yang. um it's we need to balance some forces. Maybe 4 is also stability. When I think of 4, it's balancing something. Is it family life, where you're balancing too many things together, trying to put things right, or trying to create balance for you. Could it be a work balance, a life, love? Something is getting out of balance here. But this synergy needs to be restored, or the balance needs to be restored. It's like the visual is like I see a scale, and it's tipping to one side. One side is heavier. Or is it giving too much love, and not getting back? Is that also happening? Because I feel the balance is lost here. That's what I feel. Yes, something is really weighing heavy. I just said the word heavy, and this comes out, breach. It's like with the whale. It's like I'm feeling it's something is really heavy weighing on your heart. August, something is really going to, this is some responsibility, some news, something you want to take off your chest, or some situation. It's like, it's just pushing you down underwater. And you're like, just let me be, or let me breathe. Probably too many things disrupting your routine, and you kind of want to be playful. You want to come out of that water and just breathe, and you're like, I need some time off. Yeah, no time for love, no time for passion, romance. It's kind of work. Why do I get August as work? But please keep yourself focused, because focused is come reverse. So probably not focusing on your work, too many things happening. That's what I said probably in the beginning when I channeled a message. It was like have a plan, because I could almost see like paper, and you tick marking things. You got to do like date wise or something. You need to plan. You need to plan your life better. That's what I get. Otherwise, it's going to be very messy. You'll end up doing too many things, and not completing anything. That's what I get. Oops, this one just fell out of my hand. Capricorn, what are the messages for you? I get the word must have, I do not know why. Is it must have, and you're doing whatever you can to buy that thing, or, anything that you wanted? See, burden totally. You've been carrying this burden. You've been wanting to do something, and how far the goal looks like. Look at the house. It's really far. I'm going to bring it closer. I do not know if you can see it. Still you're taking a lot of burden on you. Doing a lot of things. Things are weighing down. Imagine I said the word. So all the readings, I am truly blessed to just say that the spirit guides and my ascended masters and my archangels have been guiding me. So you can watch any of the readings. So whatever I've been saying, the next moment the words, the same cards come out, to say whatever I'm saying, and that's kind of impactful, and that just shows me that these are the things that you feeling. So this is something really burdening you. That's totally burdened down with something. And look at this. Even the mountain goat is like halfway, and you're like totally burdened. And look at how much stuff is the goat carrying. And you're also like, how will I manage this? Those are the other words that I get. Yeah, you feel somebody's been very unfair to you, giving you a lot of work. Or is it you giving, and you think this is not fair? I almost get the words not fair at all. You want someone to love you back as much as you love them. Or if you're really putting a lot in your job, you like, I want some kind of an increment, or I want my boss to appreciate me, or my seniors to recognize my hard work. Those are also the words that are coming to me. Things will happen. I feel mid October. So if I just that was a slip of tongue. Okay, so mid October things are going to improve. Guys, just hang on there. In just let it be. Let August be. Let it go fine, because a lot of things happening for you, and I do not want anything to go wrong. So maybe because I had a slip of tongue and I said October, so probably October is a better month for you guys. A lot of you will be looking back at the past. I also feel either you are your name begins with P, or so the person you're dealing with, the name begins with P, or they stay somewhere, where the country's name, state's name, or whatever, the house name, something to do with P. That's what I get. P for pen. Also looking back, it's also I feel you going forward, looking back, going forward, looking back, going forward, stopping. That's also what you've been doing. That, and in August, that's going to continue. August is also going a little forward, then coming back, at the same position, same place, carrying a lot of load, saying, okay, the goal is near, but then coming back, restarting. I feel you're doing it all alone. I do not know why, but I feel you're all alone right now. That's why probably looking back at the past, probably could be a recent breakup. I do not know. With any other sign, I did not get a breakup, but I'm getting a breakup. Breakup with something. Stay strong. So you got to stay strong in your faith, and that's what's not happening because this card has come reverse. So be strong, stay strong, and things will happen for you. Believe that God is with you. That's what I want to say. No, that card doesn't belong in this reading. There is another card for you guys. There's another card that I need to take out. There's another card. Progress, not perfection. Right. This is what I wanted to say. I'm sure the spirit guides want to tell you that even that the goal that you saw, looked far away, where the guy was carrying all the sticks, all the burden, everything on his shoulders, and he's like, okay, it's too far. I cannot reach that. Even the goat here is saying this is too far. The top is too away. The mountain top is too away. I cannot do it. But this is like, doesn't matter. Take small steps. Okay, take baby steps, and you will achieve your goal. Even if it's a problem, solve it little by little, and things will be fine. So that is the message for you guys. Let's see what are your love cards saying. Yeah, express yourself. Um, Express how you feel. If you're tired, you got to tell people, I cannot do this. If you're feeling happy, tell people. If you're feeling sad, don't put everything like I said, it weighs on you. So August, be a little more expressive. Talk about things. You need to get things off your chest. You really need to talk about something, or tell how you're feeling. And the more you express positively, the more you'll manifest things. So wanting to get detached from someone, but you're not being able to because this is reverse. So probably it's a break. Is it a break? This is a lot of past coming to me, and this one. It's a lot of, is it just worrying about the past, missing someone from the past? This is like a recent breakup I'm picking up. I want you to use green in August, wear green or use a green pen. It's going to heal you because I feel somewhere you need healing also. Your heart needs healing. I do not know. Yeah, kindness. Somebody's not being kind to you, you know. And I get the word cruel. So you feel somebody's been really cruel with you, you know, broken your heart, stabbed your heart, not been fair to you. With these cards, I feel injustice, and things will be okay. I feel mid-August. Let mid-August come, mid-October come. Things will be okay. Or you need to show patience. That's what I get, you know. Don't abandon the path you're on, or you know, don't abandon anything. But I just think you need to work hard. That's what I feel, and things will fall in place. So don't worry about all this. Just be kind to yourself also, because it's a situation you can't help. Thank you so much. Please do comment and do hit the like button if you like my reading. Also hit, you know, you can also join. You will my channel. You'll get members only videos, and you can enjoy members only videos. And thank you so much for listening to my channel and for this reading, listening patiently. Please do hit the like button, like I already said, and do subscribe if you want to. It helps me because people will know about my channel and my readings. Thank you so much, guys. Have a beautiful August. Good night.